A Rocket Lab Electron booster failed to reach orbit while attempting to launch 7 small satellites for 3 different customers on Saturday. The launch seemed to proceed as planned for the first crucial minutes of the flight. Then about 6 minutes into the launch, the live feed from the rocket froze. At that point, the company's live broadcast showed the rocket to lose speed and altitude, which is when Rocket Lab cut the live video feed. The second topic, coronavirus. As the world battles the coronavirus pandemic, more and more protective equipment is ending up in the sea. Globally, we are using 129 billion face masks and 69 billion gloves per month. These divers and observers are spotting more distant waste floating underwater, causing problems for wildlife. The third topic, EU. The latest data acquired by EU's Centennial 5-piece spacecraft, which was built in the UK, suggests levels of nitrogen dioxide are rising in big cities. The presence of the gas in the air we breathe in fell when large numbers of cars and other motor vehicles came off the roads at the end of March. NO2 is expected to return to more familiar levels as activity increases. The maps contrast May 2019 and May 2020, which points to a 20 to 50% reduction, and May 2020 with June 2020, which illustrates a jump in NO2 around major urban centers like London and Manchester. The mini topics. Alps. In a troubling sign for the future of the Italian Alps, the snow and ice in the glacier is turning pink due to the growth of algae. Normally, ice reflects 80% of the sun's radiation back to the atmosphere. They darken the ice so it absorbs the heat and melts more quickly. We saw this earlier this year in Antarctica. The fifth topic, the Arctic. The vast Arctic region, already warming faster than the rest of the world, experienced record heat and fires for the second straight year in June, according to concerns of climate scientists. Average land temperatures last month were the highest ever recorded, more than 5 degrees Celsius above normal and slightly above the June 2019 mark. The warming climate means that lakes in the Arctic are covered by ice for a shorter period of time. This leads to an increase of methane emissions, a greenhouse gas that traps 32 times more heat than CO2. Lastly, NASA Rover. NASA's Perseverance Mars rover has been attached to the top of a rocket, which will send forward on the Red Planet this summer. The Aerospace Shell crew stage and descending stage were affixed to United Launch Alliance Atlas V booster on Tuesday. The range of days that the rocket can launch in order to reach Mars is now from July 30th to August 15th. That's it for this week. Hope you enjoyed. Come back next week for more science news.